Michael Rochard's NautilusFM framework took over a year to develop and which Michael has released under an open-source license. It has already been downloaded in 38 countries. NautilusFM is a solution where everything happens on one screen. The principle is, if you never leave home, you can never get lost. You can download the example file by clicking on the link in the video description and can use it for your own use or as the basis for solutions that you develop for other people. It is the perfect starter solution, as it has all of the key elements that every business needs without all the unnecessary bells and whistles. And remember, it is completely free. NautilusFM is a paradigm shift in the way that FileMaker solutions are developed, but it is not revolutionary, rather evolutionary.